In March 2022, BMW Group introduced the i3 sedan, an electric conversion of the current 3 Series, exclusively for China. Following this launch, the company began accelerating development of a global version of the 3 Series Electric. The future BMW, which will break new ground for the company in every aspect, aims to compete with the highly popular Tesla Model 3, which is now the go-to sedan for EV adopters worldwide. Before we get into the details about the new 3 Series Electric, make sure to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications to get timely updates on future EVs. The BMW 3 Series Electric will look different from today's car. Thanks to its dedicated EV platform, it will be sleeker and more techy. Anticipate a longer wheelbase and slanted A-pillars, which should give it a distinct stance. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse indirectly previews the recipe, showcasing a futuristic shark nose front end, a reinterpretation of BMW's iconic grille and double headlights. The production model is expected to feature a robust, almost monolithic body, pronounced front and rear indentations, dynamic wheel arches, and extensive window areas, as highlighted in our rendering. The Electric 3 Series could be the first production BMW with a kidney grille reinterpreted as a digital surface, extending across the width, clubbing the headlamps and grille. At the rear, BMW will use twin rear lights, as opposed to the current L-shaped design. The interior of the BMW 3 Series Electric would be visibly more futuristic than today's models, running the iDrive 10 operating system. The dashboard should have a spherical steering and a large, tablet-like horizontal central display featuring matrix backlight technology. Instead of an instrument cluster, a curved digital display called BMW Panoramic Vision will cover the entire width of the windscreen, showing the driver all the essential driving information. The BMW Panoramic Vision projects information on a dark tinted area at the bottom of the windscreen, which results in a sharp image that's easy to read. A new BMW 3D head-up display would also be present, projecting information, limited to the essentials, further ahead into the driver's line of sight. The floor will be flat in the cabin, with no center tunnel obstructing the space. This could lead to a flexible interior for luggage and passengers, and ample rear legroom. Customers can also expect a frunk, or storage space where the engine would typically be. The BMW 3 Series Electric will be based on the next-gen Neue Klasse platform and is expected in rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive layouts. We're expecting battery packs of around 75 kWh capacity, featuring BMW Group's 6th-gen battery cells, which should give it a range of 350 to 400 miles on a single charge. The company's future EVs will also take advantage of Electrify America's 800-volt charging stations. They will be able to add 30 miles of range per minute up to a maximum of 375 miles, BMW's R&D boss Thomas Webber told UK's Car Magazine in 2022. As per the report, DC fast charging from 0 to 95% will take just about 12 minutes. Production of the new 3 Series Electric will commence at the BMW Group plant in Debrecen, Hungary, in 2025. In the US, the electric sedan is expected at dealers in early 2026, priced from around $50,000. It will take on the likes of the Tesla Model 3, Polestar 2, and the Volkswagen ID.7. Additionally, Mercedes and Audi are also planning pure electric versions of the C-Class and the A4, which are expected to reach dealers in 2026 and 2027 respectively. What are the features that you most look forward to in the BMW 3 Series EV? Share your thoughts in the comments and catch us in our next video.